Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discussing about NIS1 Series 8 Equity Derivatives mock test. First question. Derivative value is primarily based on option A futures curve, option B price of underlying asset, option C commodity premium and option D ETF performance. Correct answer is option B price of underlying asset. Next question. A 900 rupees call option trades at 40 rupees when spot is 920. What's the time value? Option A 20, option B 40, option C 0 and option D 60. Option A 20 rupees. A client buys a 100 rupees put at 6 rupees. Spot falls to 90 rupees. What is the profit? Option A 6, option B 10, option C 4 and option D 0. Correct answer is option C 4 rupees. A protective put consists of option A long put short call, option B long stock long put, option C short futures long put and option D short stock long call. Correct answer is option B long stock long put. Protective put strategy protects downside risk of long stock by buying a put. Next question. A trader sells one Nifty future at 19,800. On expiry, Nifty equal to 19,950. Lot size is 50. Then what is the loss? Option A 6,000, option B 7,500, option C 5,000 and option D 2,500. Correct answer is option B 7,500. Next question. Here is the explanation for question number 5. Put call parity formula is option A C minus P equal to S minus PVK, option B C plus P equal to spot, option C C equal to S plus P minus K, option D P minus C equal to K minus spot. Correct answer is option A put call parity equal to call minus put equal to spot minus present value of strike. Next question. An index has base value 100 and base market capitalization is 10,000 crore. Current market capitalization is 18,000 crore. Then index equal to option A 180, option B 150, option C 175 and option D 190. The correct answer is option A 180. Next question. Which entity guarantees trade settlement in derivatives? Option A NSE, option B Clearing Corporation, option C SEBI and option D RBI. Correct answer is option B Clearing Corporation. Next question. Vega of an option is highest when? Option A deep ITM, option B deep OTM, option C ATM and option D at expiry. Correct answer is option C ATM. At the money, options are most sensitive to volatility. Next question. A trader expects high volatility but no clear direction. Best strategy is option A long straddle, option B covered call, option C bear put spread and option D short call. Correct answer is option A long straddle. Next question. A 1400 rupees call option trades at 50 rupees. Spot equal to 1440 rupees. Then what is the intrinsic value? Option A 40, option B 50, option C 90 and option D 0. Correct answer is option A 40 rupees. Intrinsic value equal to spot minus strike equal to 1440 minus 1400 equal to 40 rupees. Open interest increases when? Option A, buyer squares off. Option B, new buyer and new seller enter. Option C, seller squares off. And option D, both exit. Correct answer is option B, new buyer and new seller enter. Open interest rises only when new contracts are created by a new buyer and seller. Next question. Strategy with limited loss and unlimited profit. Option A, short call. Option B, long call. Option C, long put. And option D, bull call spread. Correct answer is option B, long call. Next question. In a bullish market, which position is most profitable? Option A, long put. Option B, bear call spread. Option C, long futures. And option D, short futures. Correct answer is option C, long futures. Next question. Margin systems in derivatives exist to option A, cover taxes, option B, offset profit, option C, manage counterparty risk, and option D, pay broker commission. Correct answer is option C, manage counterparty risk. Next question. Option Greeks include all except option A, alpha, option B, delta, option C, gamma, and option D, theta. Correct answer is option A, alpha. Next question. Futures price in cost of carry model is option A, spot into risk-free rate, option B, spot plus carry cost minus dividends, option C, strike price plus intrinsic value, option D, spot into theta. Correct answer is option B, spot plus carry cost minus dividends. Next question. Option premium is 20 rupees. Intrinsic value equal to 12 rupees. Then what is the time value? Option A, 8 rupees. Option B, 32. Option C, 12. And option D, 20. The correct answer is option A, 8 rupees. Time value equal to option premium minus intrinsic value. That is 20 minus 12 equal to 8 rupees. Next question. After a bonus issue, which changes in F&O contracts? Option A, spot price only. Option B, spot price and lot size. Option C, only intrinsic value. And option D, open interest. Correct answer is option B, strike price and lot size. Next question. Strike equal to 500 rupees. Put premium equal to 10 rupees. And spot is 490. Profit per put buyer is option A, 0 rupees. Option B, 5 rupees. Option C, 10. And option D, 15. Option A, 0. First calculate intrinsic value. Formula is strike price minus spot price. That is 500 minus 490 equal to 10 rupees. Then profit is intrinsic value minus premium equal to 10 minus 10 is 0. Next question. Long stock plus short call equal to option A, covered call, option B, long straddle, option C, naked call, and option D, synthetic short. Correct answer is option A, covered call. Next question. PCR greater than 1 and rising indicates option A, bullish sentiment, option B, bearish sentiment, option C, neutral market, and option D, arbitrage. Correct answer is option B, bearish sentiment. Next question. MTM margin is option A paid weekly, option B paid once at expiry, option C adjusted daily, and option D taxable. Correct answer is option C adjusted daily. Next question. Buy put at 6 rupees, strike equal to 180 rupees, spot equal to 165 rupees. Then what is the profit? Option A 15 rupees, option B 9, option C 6 and option D 0. Correct answer is option B 9 rupees. Intrinsic value equal to strike minus spot, that is 180 minus 165, that is 15 rupees. Then profit equal to 15 minus 6 rupees is equal to 9 rupees. Next question. Futures trade above spot due to option A high dividend, option B higher interest rates, option C low volatility, and option D illiquidity. Correct answer is option B higher interest rates. Next question. Trades at 1000 rupees. 3-month futures equal to 1045 rupees. Then what is annualized cost of carry? Option A 6%, option B 18%, option C 12%, and option D 15%. Correct answer is option B 18%. Next question. Please check here explanation for question number 26. On expiry, the difference between spot and futures is option A equal to time value, option B constant, option C 0, and option D arbitrage. Correct answer is option C 0. Next question. Long futures at 820, expiry spot is 795 and lot size is 100. Then what is the loss? Option A 2500 profit, option B 2500 loss, option C 3000 rupees loss, and option D 3000 profit. The correct answer is option B 2500 loss. First of all, calculate the price difference, that is futures price minus spot price. 820 minus 795 rupees equal to 25 rupees. Then calculate the total loss. Price difference is 25 into lot size is 100 equal to 2500. Next question. Which of the following is true in regarding to forward contracts? Option A exchange traded, option B MTM applies, option C standardized, and option D customized. Correct answer is option D customized. Explanation. Forward contracts are over the counter and traded between two parties. Next question. Short 4 lots futures at 250 rupees and expiry is 235 rupees. Lot size is 125. Then what is the profit? Option A 4000, option B 6500, option C 7500, and option D 8000. Correct answer is option C 7500. Next question. A call option gives the buyer option A right to sell, option B obligation to sell, option C right to buy, and option D obligation to buy. Correct answer is option C right to buy. Next question. 700 call option trades at 25 rupees. Spot is 750. Then what is the IV? Option A 25, option B 15, option C 0 and option D 10 rupees. Correct answer is option B 15 rupees. Next question. Option premium includes option A only time value, option B only intrinsic value, option C intrinsic value plus time value, and option D strike value. Correct answer is option C intrinsic value plus time value. Next question. 600 rupees put trades at 12, spot is 590. Then what is the time value? Option A 12 rupees, option B 2, option C 10, and option D 0. Correct answer is option B 2 rupees. Next question. Which of the following option position has unlimited loss potential? Option A long call, option B long put, option C short call, and option D short future. Correct answer is option C short call. Naked short call losses are theoretically unlimited if price rises. Next question. Delta of a call option lies between option A 0 to -1, option B -1 to -0.5, option C 0 to +1, and option D -1 to +1. Correct answer is option C 0 to +1. Next question. Gamma measures option A delta's change with volatility, option B delta's change with stock price, option C premium decay, and option D intrinsic value change. Correct answer is option B delta's change with stock price. Next question. 400 rupees put at 12 rupees. Spot is 385. Premium is 12 rupees. Then what is the profit? Option A 3 rupees, option B 0, option C 15, and option D -3. Correct answer is option A 3 rupees. Next question. Implied volatility increases. Option premiums will be option A increase, option B decrease, option C stay same, and option D fall to 0. Correct answer is option A increase. Next question. Theta indicates option A risk-free return, option B premium increase, option C time decay, and option D strike selection. Correct answer is option C time decay. Next question. Call at 1200 rupees, bought for 40 rupees. Spot is 1250 rupees. Then what is the profit? Option A 40 rupees, option B 50, option C 10, and option D 0. Correct answer is option C 10 rupees. Next question. The following has highest time value. Option A deep ITM, option B deep OTM, option C at the money, and option D expired option. Correct answer is option C at the money. Next question. A put option is in the money when option A spot greater than strike, option B strike greater than spot, option C spot equal to strike, and IV equal to 0. Correct answer is option B strike greater than spot. Next question. Buy put at 25 rupees. Strike is 540. Spot is 500. then what is the profit? Option A 40, option B 15, option C 25 and option D 0. Correct answer is option B 15. Next question. Put call parity helps in identify option A leverage, option B arbitrage opportunities, option C hedging and option D MTM margin. Correct answer is option B arbitrage opportunities. Next question. Bull put spread involves option A sell lower strike put, buy higher, option B buy lower, sell higher, option C short call and option D buy call. Correct answer is option A sell lower strike put, buy higher. Next question. Buy 600 call at 18 rupees, sell 640 call at 5 rupees, then what is the maximum profit? Option A 10, option B 27, option C 35 and option D 50 rupees. Correct answer is option B 27 rupees. Here spread is 40 rupees, net premium paid is 13 rupees. Then maximum profit equal to 27 rupees. Next question. Short triangle is works best when option A market is volatile, option B market is directional, option C market is flat and option D index gaps up. Correct answer is option C market is flat. Next question. Protective put equal to option A long stock plus long put, option B short futures plus long put, option C short stock plus long call and option D long call plus short futures. Correct answer is option A long stock plus long put. Next question. Butterfly spread profits when option A market crashes, option B market is highly volatile, option C market trades in a range and option D stock splits. Correct answer is option C market trades in a range. Next question. Which margin is collected before entering into a futures position? Option A MTM margin, option B exposure margin, option C initial margin and option D settlement margin. Correct answer is option C initial margin. Next question. What does span margin measure? Option A broker commission, option B expected dividend, option C worst case one day loss and option D open interest. Correct answer is option C worst case one day loss. Next question. A portfolio is worth 90 lakhs with beta 1.2. Nifty is 18,000. Lot size is 50. Then what are the number of contracts to hedge? Option A 10, option B 11, option C 12 and option D 13. Correct answer is option C 12 contracts. Next question. Legal status of derivatives in India is defined under which act? Option A SEBI Act, option B Companies Act, option C SCRA and option D FEMA. Correct answer is option C SCRA. Next question. What does a high and rising put call ratio indicate? Option A, bullish sentiment. Option B, bearish sentiment. Option C, sideways market. And option D, overbought zone. Option B, bearish sentiment. Next question. Who guarantees the settlement of all F&O trades? Option A, NSE. Option B, SEBI. Option C, Clearing Corporation. And option D, stockbroker. Correct answer is option C, Clearing Corporation. Next question. MTM margins are option A, settled monthly. Option B, paid on expiry only. Option C, calculated daily. And option D, paid before order placement. Correct answer is option C, calculated daily. Next question. Open interest decreases when? Option A, buyer exits. Option B, new buyer and new seller trade. Option C, both parties close positions. And option D, price gaps up. Correct answer is option C, both parties close positions. Next question. What is the role of the clearing corporation? Option A, provide research tools. Option B, ensure counterparty settlement. Option C, declare dividend. And option D, set strike prices. Correct answer is option B, ensure counterparty settlement. Next question. Final settlement of index futures is based on option A, average of last 10 trades. Option B, VWAP of spot. Option C, closing price of underlying index. And option D, futures premium. Correct answer is option C, closing price of underlying index. Next question. What is ELM in margining? Option A, extra liquidity margin. Option B, exchange linked margin. Option C, extreme loss margin. And option D, event linked margin. Correct answer is option C, extreme loss margin. Next question. Which of the following is not a function of stockbroker? Option A, executing client orders. Option B, handling settlement. Option C, guaranteeing trades. And option D, collecting margins. Correct answer is option C, guaranteeing trades. Next question. Derivatives were first introduced in India in which of the following year? Option A, 1991. Option B, 1996. Option C, 2000. And option D, 2003. Correct answer is option C, 2000. Next question. A call option is out of the money when? Option A, spot equal to strike. Option B, spot greater than strike. Option C, spot less than strike. And option D, spot equal to 0. Correct answer is option C, spot less than strike. Next question. Penalty for short margin reporting is imposed by option A, NSE. Option B, broker. Option C, SEBI. And option D, clearing corporation. The correct answer is option D, clearing corporation. Next question. Which of these risks does margining not directly protect against? Option A, price volatility. Option B, counterparty default. Option C, operational errors. And option D, credit risk. Correct answer is option C, operational errors. Next question. If an option expires OTM, the buyer's loss is option A, strike minus spot. Option B, 100%. Option C, premium paid. And option D, unlimited. Correct answer is option C, premium paid. Next question. What is the full form of IRRA in F&O markets? Option A, Investor Risk Regulation Agency. Option B, Investor Return Recovery App. Option C, Investor Risk Reduction Access. And option D, Institutional Research Risk Authority. Correct answer is option C, Investor Risk Reduction Access. Next question. Who regulates F&O segment in India? Option A, NSE. Option B, RBI. Option C, SEBI. And option D, Finance Ministry. Correct answer is option C, SEBI. Next question. What happens when a futures contract reaches expiry? Option A, it is rolled over automatically. Option B, it becomes a forward contract. Option C, it is settled. And option D, it is void. Correct answer is option C, it is settled. Next question. Under SEBI rules, a stock must meet which condition to stay in F&O? Option A, top 100 market capitalization. Option B, high promoter holding. Option C, market wide position limit. And option D, weekly turnover. Correct answer is option C, market wide position limit. Next question. Clearing and settlement on NSE is managed by option A, NSDL. Option B, CDSL. Option C, NSE Clearing Limited. And option D, SEBI. Correct answer is option C, NSE Clearing Limited. Next question. Who is responsible for client risk profiling? Option A, SEBI. Option B, broker. Option C, depository. And option D, clearing corporation. Correct answer is option B, broker. Next question. In the F&O segment, contracts are removed from trading if option A, stock splits. Option B, circuit limit breached. Option C, eligibility fails for 3 months. And option D, company changes name. Correct answer is option C, eligibility fails for 3 months. Next question. Which document must be signed by clients before F&O trading? Option A, index methodology note. Option B, client code form. Option C, risk disclosure document. And option D, IPO form. Correct answer is option C, risk disclosure document. Next question. In India, F&O gains are treated as option A, capital gains. Option B, speculative income. Option C, business income. And option D, tax free. Correct answer is option C, business income. Next question. Which section mandates tax audit if F&O turnover exceeds 1 crore? Option A, 44AA. Option B, 44AB. Option C, ATC. And option D, 44ADA. Correct answer is option B, 44AB. Next question. Who is responsible for risk profiling of a client before recommending F&O? Option A, SEBI. Option B, broker. Option C, clearing corporation. And option D, stock exchange. Correct answer is option B, broker. Next question. Which of the following document explains F&O risk to clients? Option A, trade log. Option B, risk disclosure document. Option C, research report. And option D, position limit sheet. Correct answer is Option B, risk disclosure document. Next question. Long straddle is profitable when? Option A, market is flat. Option B, prices move sharply either way. Option C, implied volatility falls. And option D, options expire OTM. Correct answer is option B, prices move sharply either way. Next question. A bull call spread consists of option A, buying high strike call, selling low. Option B, selling low strike put, buying high. Option C, buying low strike call, selling high. And option D, long put short call. Correct answer is option C, buying low strike call, selling high. Next question. Which of the following is a bearish strategy? Option A, covered call. Option B, long straddle. Option C, bear put spread. And option D, long call. Correct answer is option C, bear put spread. Next question. Intrinsic value of a 200 call when spot is 190 rupees. Then option A 0, option B 10 rupees, option C 190 rupees and option D minus 10. Correct answer is option A 0. Next question. An option has intrinsic value is 30 and premium is 45. Then what is the time value? Option A 15, option B 30, option C 45 and option D 75. Correct answer is option A 15. Time value equal to premium minus intrinsic value. Then 45 minus 30 equal to 15 rupees. Next question. What is the main purpose of margining in F&O? Option A, maximize broker earnings. Option B, ensure liquidity. Option C, limit potential losses. And option D, prevent default risk. Correct answer is option D, prevent default risk. Next question. A stock in F&O fails eligibility criteria for 3 months. Then what happens? Option A, weekly expiry introduced. Option B, only options allowed. Option C, it is removed from F&O segment. And option D, extra margin levied. Correct answer is option C, it is removed from F&O segment. Next question. When does a futures contract cease to exist? Option A, on rollover. Option B, on swearing off. Option C, on expiry. And option D, after 3 months. Correct answer is option C, on expiry. Next question. A trader expects volatility to fall. Best strategy is option A, long strangle. Option B, buy call. Option C, short straddle. And option D, bull spread. Correct answer is option C, short straddle. Next question. Maximum loss in a long call equal to option A, unlimited. Option B, strike price. Option C, premium paid. And option D, spot price. Correct answer is option C, premium paid. Next question. Delta of a put option is option A, negative. Option B, 0. Option C, always 1. And option D, positive. Correct answer is option A, negative. Next question. Which of the following position benefits if stock price rises sharply? Option A, short call. Option B, long put. Option C, short futures. And option D, long call. Correct answer is option D, long call. Next question. In the money option has option A, no intrinsic value. Option B, only time value. Option C, intrinsic value greater than 0. And option D, strike equal to spot. Correct answer is option C, intrinsic value greater than 0. Next question. A client trades F&O actively. Then tax treatment is option A capital gains, option B agriculture income, option C business income, and option D dividend. Correct answer is option C business income. Next question. A 400 put option, premium is 10 rupees, spot is 380. Then what is the net gain? Option A 20 rupees, option B 10, option C 0, and option D 30 rupees. Correct answer is option B 10 rupees. Next question. A stock split impacts F&O by option A changing expiry, option B adjusting strike and lot size, option C closing all OI, and option D cancelling contracts. Correct answer is option B adjusting strike and lot size. Next question. Which of the following is true for long strangle? Option A sell ITM call and put, option B buy ATM call and put, option C buy OTM call and put, and option D sell futures. Correct answer is option C buy OTM call and put. Next question. Weekly options expire on option A Friday, option B Monday, option C Wednesday, and option D Thursday. Correct answer is option D Thursday. Next question. Covered call equal to option A long stock plus long call, option B long stock plus short call, option C short futures plus long put, and option D naked call. Correct answer is option B long stock plus short call. Next question. Which of the following is not a participant in the F&O market? Option A hedger, option B speculator, option C arbitrager, and option D auditor. Correct answer is option D auditor. A trader buys a 1000 rupees call for 20 rupees, spot equal to 1050 rupees at expiry. Then what is the profit? Option A 50, option B 20, option C 30, and option D 0. Correct answer is option C 30 rupees. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe.